So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works. Well, hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Handy Matt, and today we are going to make this thrift store find dartboard a little bit better and create some storage for all the darts. Let's go over to the bench and check it out. Alright, so I got this really cool tiny toolbox from Harbor Freight, and that's going to be my dart storage and all the stuff that I need for the dartboard. And I got some scrap lumber here. I'm going to make a shelf and screw it up to the wall and get things set up to where everything's right where it needs to be. So let's go. Alright, we'll drill some pilot holes here. At least a couple here. Go with about there. Here's my screws. Get one of these started and see how it goes. That went good enough. I'll just punch the rest of them in. That should work out good. I'll get these two screws started and we'll go put her on the wall. Alright, lined up on the studs here. Perfect. All right, let's go find all my darts and get them put in the toolbox. All right, I got everything up here. I've got the actual original instructions, etc. for this semi-vintage, mostly vintage dartboard. It came with some extra tips. Came with a set of darts here that are all gold. That's pretty cool. And here's what looks like a pocket set. You know, something you just stuff in your pocket and you hold on to it until you run into a place where you want to throw some darts or somebody decides to challenge you. So that's kind of cool. That came with the dartboard as well. Put those up top. And next drawer down, I got all these extra flights These came with the board as well. Some of them are okay. They're basically the ones that you let people use if they don't know what they're doing. It doesn't matter if they get destroyed. Several different darts here. I don't know what weight they are. They almost kind of feel like 14 grams. I'm not sure. Put those in there. There's a bunch of loose tips. Put those in there as well. And the bottom drawer, I'll put my competition darts in here. Got a nice case. Here, I'll show you what I got. Here's some really good 18-gram darts, and they work really good. So those will go in this drawer. And let's see, how far can I go back? About there. And there's room for extras. Yep, there's room for beverages. I got an authentic made in Japan CC lemon. Those are really awesome. There's a black rifle coffee. I think that pretty much makes this dartboard good to go. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Best way to support this channel, share this video, hit the join button, like button, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.